Hi, here is how I created this simple bounce animation using expressions in After Effects. You can copy the expression from the description. You can apply it to any object with a position property. Select your layer and press P on the keyboard to bring up position. Then Alt-click on the stopwatch next to position and paste the code there. That's it. The bounce animation is ready. It is also fully adjustable. There are 5 simple settings you need to understand in the code. First, floor. This is where the ground is. The object will always land at this point. Second, H0. This is how high the object starts from the ground. It works relative to the floor value. A bigger value means it starts higher. Third, E. This controls how much the object bounces. If it is 1, the object does not lose height, so every bounce reaches the same height. If it is 0, there is no bounce at all. Anything in between gives you a normal bounce, where the height gradually decreases after each bounce. Fourth, G. This is gravity. It controls how fast the object falls. Higher values make it fall faster and feel heavier. Lower values make it fall slower and feel lighter. Fifth, max bounces. This is a limit to stop the expression from calculating forever. If this value is too low, the object may stop bouncing suddenly. So it should be high enough to allow all the bounces to finish naturally. That's it. I have also saved it as a preset, which you can download from the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Amateur Artists for more videos like this.